about you?
Today,
Yes.
I came in your dream.
Yes.
Oh, then I'm a dream chaser.
Oh, you came. It's like we went to Dubai on a trip. I don't know.
On a trip?
Yes.
Tell me you are kidding.
I'm not kidding.
A Dubai?
Yes, Dubai.
A trip to Dubai?
Yes.
Me and you?
Yes.
In a yacht? Or we were on the the desert?
Can't really remember well.
But we were in
We
the
were having
Dubai.
fun.
Oh wow.
The story is long. A certain woman came and was accusing me of snatching her sugar son or something.
A certain woman. Which woman? She's a rich, don't mind her.
She's an old woman. Okuta stick, so I knew it.
No. Then it's a kekebiwe.
Yes. Oh.
So how was your night?
I said my night was.
You were dreaming about me. Have you eaten? You haven't eaten. If I finish, I'll go and cut a tin for you. Right?
Okay. Just because you buy food for me, I have gist for you.
You have gist?
Yes.
What kind of a gist?
Gist, babe.
What kind of a gist?
So.
Right now, you give me 20 gist.
You have to also start giving me some. It's like now you are slow.
No, right now I come to school. I feel no also me so dey me nya ba mo no say na me nim gist bia. Ti afi na me de me ni fam. Afi na ma to satellite no. It e to bi so a me ka kiro. I don't know me.
Oh, I know you.
Yeah.
So Seer and then Adams, they are dating.
Seer and Adams are dating.
Yeah. Seer and Adams are dating.
Tell me you are kidding.
I'm not kidding.
Seer and Adams are dating.
Yes.
How possible?
How possible? They are dating.
Yeah. Adams ni Aroma. Adams is one now was Aroma na ni Seer. Me bo. Seer and Adams.
Yes.
Adi with your prayer. Adi with you. Oprebia Adams Moishi. Ebia only Adams Montemo
I'm lying. Do you think I'll lie to you?
Seer and Adams. Scanty.
Yes. Share.
They are in a relationship.
Yes.
Who told you?
I've been seeing them around. They've been trying to do things to hurt me and things.
With your naked eyes.
Yes.
Seer and Adam. No, Seer, Adams were Jimmy Anna. What is telling me Aroma so they see happen?
Say two stupid people, Meshia. They don't know they don't think anything is wrong with
this boy cry. What wrong is this boy
Aroma has been trying to advise the guy, but I don't think
this is a craziness. This is a stupidity. Because you know that you are my brother. I've dated this girl. Right now I'm not with the girl. You have gone and date that girl. What? How can it be possible? And you will marry him. Because me shed and Jindi. Marry him. And I see no. Me bisana me nya shoso bekan. Is
it true? There is no need to go and investigate anything.
Marry him. I said this all can try. Me don't to call. Oh, then they say a topic keke. Me ko ram kasa.
Now they are tracing.
No. Me ko run it in girl no eden me bisana straight. Say Seer. Matese yesu dey to your own kanta. It me coupe ni dupe. Me dey so ni me. Me you should say anything. Coupe ni dupe no. Sa coupe na was me ma obi. Sa adwen no. Idea na ye dey dada nipa na ye dey convince nipa ma nipa. Ye boni nipa mfen. E ma nsem ehye onyina o figu form no. Sa idea na was me ma obi.
Ale minibi.
Eno kwa na aka. Wo bi.
Na me nim say me wo bi.
Who then your wings? Who then 11 and 7? But maybe then is 6 and 8. Also, you control 15. You knew I is a pivot. You knew what assembling ho on the match. Yes, intimate you to compare the palm again.
But what happened?
My hands? If I tell you, you cry for me.
Oh, tell me.
This?
Yes.
I was walking on the roadside. All I heard was, boom. I open my eyes, I'm in the hospital.
They may call right now.
Yeah, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso, me, person me come any months.
Come back.
Oh, funny.
Come back. You don't respect, right?
Which ones you don't respect? Why are you calling her?
Now, who came no Diana Siamwa? Who came no troubles in the Siamwa?
Me no didn't ya.
Anyways, that was just by the way. I don't know, Munina, Pon School, Obiaba hostel, the guest in your abesenko. Now, on dear. What does who school my fin out over?
I feel like a class not indeed.
I feel no more class 9, no more class by.
See, the same BSc. I mean, extra classes.
See, I will stop on. And I will cry me tea mono. Yes, Scanty and a chimpanzee, boy, and one pen.
Memem pescan.
One panel. Boy, yes, you
need some.
boy, no, one panel can cry one panel.
Men pennies say.
Tana made it, yes, one pebble, yes, you see what's on pebble.
If I show me can't be as I was canceling them, and then don't do engineer.
There's a more chimpanzee. As a man, you could pay the paramount. Let's a more champion, my boy. If we are still land. As a man, you could pay the paramount. As my dear, so tell me. Let's a more. I come over and I can boost. I say, only Scanty more champion. I said, there be a carpet. Can't correct. But I mean, you could pay my other one can't correct. Let's a more champion.
No, small pedals, so can't see.
Now, see a Tana, what here? Let's a war on Mimmy and Midi can be pound. Let's a Mimmy the one in any one answer and I me a dear catch him. You will be a name and Midi can be pound. Now was Scanty and Scanty be pound what I say.
Me type.
Many time na me type C and as me USB. Ah, many time me type away. Share, Seer. It's better for you to leave Scanty and come for me. Because men are me propose each other first.
And my advice and I say emotional block.
And I no crown no sad then ka wo ya ti ase o. But I say no ma bi na ba ya I say o ka chem. Me so ka chem so wo kwadwene ho. Ah. School mo bia pe o open. Me nko a why? Tokro obi ahumasi. Why? I don't know me nko a person me bi. Ana me ni yelo ni ntia. Ah. Samle de tokro de mo bio. Samle de who be my hey?
Baby, I'm not sure. Bra.
Hey, see ya.
I'm not sure.
Mendi bi what?
Who did you be?
Mendi bi.
Then now did be. Hey,
Today. So una be what the brand me o. But I say me na me suban but me suban fan sa.
Me fan sa in fact.
Tu ma mini.
No.
See ya.
Today I'm in a good mood, honestly. Come from here, Pankamina.
Na Scanty we kura Scanty no ho be na ye.
Na who be na ye?
E ka be ma nice boy as. What dey hwe me? Hwe me ka nice boy pa me Scanty. Hwe na me ni me ka no ko me Scanty.
Something.
Na ne kala ni tia. It masra. E bia John tin na betutum but still na. Ah.
Bro, Cassandra,
me pese me dey ntia am so nya ntia. Mbe se o giant Scanty.
Na me just.
Na o be onim betwempa.
Virtual
O de o nya no kra ma me ndibi.
Who did you be? I'm not meant to say, don't know did
Na dey so na dey my boys ni di.
Banku.
Ti ni banku ni bi ai.
So na be ka frank me.
Kwa kitikiti na no kitikiti na wo kosa. Ase amuna bi a dance. Amuna pa a well, a bula, a well, and a dagger. The okon. Kwa kitikiti unam skuman and a boy beer. Wo hu e mema ni na hu bia be ma no da. Wo hu ya kas wo no e mema wo skuman mema no bit ma do ye nyina e mema no apart from me. No bia di bi me kwan pese me di bi. Why? Is it from the house or is from my house which is?
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pese me come any months so
No man now very cast sir. Please don't be with me in scato kana. Usubana na so to say open scato kana. Obi a yedo abesku se besua de wo twempa. Na we be dey jina come back. O twempa na wo school obi a ese besua de na ba chi bi no nya ba bi pesi. aba school dia yem panatwe na be da achi wonya ba pesi enya ska toka ada na ya ditota
ma twempena de
ma me ka cho ge na na twempena no mpa o sa sia no nani nyin ho betiem na no ka no guess no na obi ate ho akire me sia na se nani nyin ho
sia no so nani nje
oso mpa o sia me kan
no ge na se na me ni mi no do ye ho no no dunu se let's of fanfuli me na no eno ka ne me ni na ono no wampe me
na ne ye dai
na nya me ni na ye ko aren opobo won aren
she ameka se me chiro
da bi da na se ka cho fondo me
ate ma yusu kupe ni dupa ma ate wa adin sha ate wa ye brom kwa wa adin kete na se oni si ya twempna oh congratulations uni si ya twempna adam sadai
Opoku yes I watch me na
me ma yusu ma adin na ma wa adin sha
penyin na yusu adin ma me sa
wa adin sha we penyin krom kwa we tobrom kwa wa dimi kupenu dupe na ya adwuma no kupenu dupe the 6 and 8 Javier Iniesta na ya adwuma no ma yusu ma na se mo twempna okay the new news in town the newest news in town
some me so yusu adwuma miss yusu ma adwuma wa
say
I say me ne gani ni wo ba me fanfuli me ni
sia chill get na bi wa ma me get me ni na din komo ama get na kire mu kura say anu ni hihye to krom fufum ano
no de
get na kire mo be ma size nyina wa kire me bibia wo hu nyina oto hu o se oto ye ko wa kire me bibia wo hu bia
me be ma size ni me to yo inside wa yo star me
say asinti na get na kire me na chinie no iti na get ni kire mu ama ni na chinie no wonye
by seriously or
wonye si ya twempna na wusuro kura sakura wusuro no sakura na waye kuma bi te titibo sakura no wusuro no
obi ba na mo ese titibo aya atisa
da hwa hu ye careful asembetima to na me nso mate asem we no me mate asem we no wa wu kran kenye Scanty me ma so ate asem we no ni obi ka asem kire me ankoma so mo owura ma num bele me du bia me bia me num na spread the Chinese caster
wo su adwama me
me yu so ma
su adwama
adwene so gigabyte terabyte dem bam adwene so kupere dupe
konkonsa fo ankasa mo adwene
ma adwene so adwene na dem tirim na so me yu ma adwene me yu so ma wo ye ho ayo so sei me yu ma adwene ma
yo what they say when no man come yeah boys what say
enka ho amienu ntem
enka amienu ntem ne jai sa long na so hu awi
na me hu awi na wonim kwa me fa ga be use asem we
na wo hu a kon no tume
mate asem aka ma no atum da ase ne bia mo chim di super glue so ma na mo pam ma no
boy Opoku jai some say sa dey spread e be ha me be say me free news
e be ha na wo ye wonim say spread e be ha na wo ye bra mini ka kran ko da ne ho kra na mini kan ko spread wo ho asa kra na mi wi a chana papa class ma twa gu blackboard na ma twa gu blackboard so Seer and Scanty they are a married people let's more champion and no 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 mabubu
yeah me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we me ya me pesa me come any months adwa me ya oh lord
Don't know dragging me say, oh crashing. Oh,
then I'm dragging us in this.
Didn't see na be a dragging.
Oh, aha, when right, oh coin fa. And no, hey.
I'm not supposed to come and guy.
And na come na da your school. The in your school no more renovation or hostel rooms na ya lock hostels na in the campus. No abeda.
Me man no me classes and some.
Hey, Seer. Oh my classes.
Extra classes.
Hey, Mike Ayadio. Mike Ayadio, papa. Miss Nippen, so Monsieur. Hey, where then I go catch you, Opoku say, you did 2 o'clock. See, Opoku. You can't see me at you. You start telling me, catch yourself, conform you, pen school, my person, but Opoku ni Jacob Salu, school nurse.
Now, Opoku no one miss me or no, maybe him so cram and in a dink. I know
what
oh, she must be a boy. Adam, so I'm saying, you may have been on my phones come about still. You know,
And I
so on didn't come more than that.
I don't see. I want me use who I drink a crown. Who's a way you soon I dream out. Or cats or boy Adams. I don't work agents or boy in this country.
Some in him son and didn't come on.
Me didn't come and see and come in the country. What
now I don't know who's so poor.
Some is so be used to not dream.
Now I used to a dream. I don't think you should not dream.
My son, no man is our chance. Nkawanka o yusu na adwema no wan confirm wan ko ntimi emba me home bibisa
tell it now baby samansa
si ankasa we do fa soro a na wa from ye do fa for man wa fa soro aden si a aden na o ya ma tan fo nyame sa relationship ba ko start ye nche me ho hyehye me san so school mu ma sheda no ma me ho sem ye okay
ati we na so ko opoku atenti den
opoku atenti den sesen
aro opoku ti ade ne besi
si a
who's the one person pa
ne se na be meta bobo ya de me kasa se
o kasa ko confend you
see me kana be hu here me software ma side sa o fansa gun o ya ma tan fo na me too much me se akwa wa ma confused se Opoku ati ase me ko ka che my J my J say ya se mwesi
aro ka che my J no sto oya no ne dia first was come say
see me my J fan first wo ko ni ya na se won peli
na dem my J ho ba na dey
nti wona mo pese my J te dey ekoso
na o ti na dey na ba precious kura ho na my J na te bi oya nyesa
se ma hwe ya wa kura be pass mana me wa be timi kwa ka kire mai
mo shamu bisa me dey na se mintimi deny
we jimi hu Mike she no bisa se me no dey na ekoso wa ntimi deny
me deny o se na boy no
o se ku share sa kwa na fu ese yi no sa tubom
tubo ya na fuka ka we dem ko
shi se ne fuka si akwa one da okra won suro one na ma won suro
ne nda ko na ni ejina si
atasi ejina si obi kumi si yes ade we to we kwa kodaji o to me side da we kwa kodaji Baba kwa de na na me direction na the piano story hasia school mo ye wajim na ere
and waiting our friend me the bompa is me share my job sami am catch them dem pa ko de yabu
kona
me be de me try over so
again no so onam school mo ana so ne nko la ya onam wa shepe aso nim nyansa ho so Jimmy do be ne dem man fun sa
Specials. Please just call your phone number. Let me send the money. Call the number. Like just mention
02
02
44 384
384
758
758. Okay.
How much did you say?
I made it 806.
Shut up, 8.
Yeah.
Oh,
I want like a gallon.
Gallon.
See, the last time, the pound not soup that you made for Aroma. Hey, so precious, your hands clear.
Thank you. I'll try my best to make the shit
You're
nice.
not just beautiful.
Thank
You're
you.
so precious.
Thank you. So how big did you say you wanted?
Gallon.
I don't think I can make that much.
Hey, so precious, send me 400.
Come.
Oh, so precious.
What's up? Opoku, have you met him?
See,
Sir,
I'm doing good. How are you too?
Should I leave you guys?
Me
Opoku, I'm leaving.
Hey, come back. Na me pe bia me na bu abo me akwa abo fe.
See you. You be back.
Come on, you're just leaving.
I've sent you the money, so
Okay, sure. Come next week, okay?
Okay.
Opoku, are you looking for somebody? Should I call somebody for you?
It's your prayer. When you be an any conversation halfway. O kasa na okọ commercial break. Onu kwani nipa o kasa na okọ quick commercial break mo asaba. Opre. Brown sugar nti utimi ne edi nkomo. Opre nti opre de wo no ware.
I don't understand you. What is wrong with this? So I can't talk to
boy
you.
no dia no.
Aha. So can't I talk to any other guy aside you?
So you didn't get any guy to talk with. It's with apart from this guy.
Aha, Opoku.
No.
Sometimes makes sense. Makes sense when you talk. Let it make sense. Then I okay can. So I can't
That's
talk
a pressure, not a Jimmy.
No. But sometimes, Opoku.
I'm not too sure the page now. Moving come make out. Cause say as you talk and make sense.
Something for him. What's me yes to mano?
Now yes to. What's yes to?
It's not for free. He sends me money. If you want me to prepare shit for you, can send me money, then I'll do it for you. So what is wrong about this?
The bad thing also on the boy no. What me bahamum. What me ba guess what's the baba new ebe flow new din come.
What are you also doing here?
What
are you also doing here?
I'm looking for you.
Why?
Because I've missed you.
What reason is this? He came for business. You are coming because of this, and you expect me to mind you.
What are you talking about?
He's the one who came with a good deal. Oh, but because you've missed me. But sometimes you have to try and put things together. I can't do it. I don't have time. I have so many things that I have to prepare for other people. I can't make some for it. I'm sorry. I have to even go and buy the things for the shit. I'll see you later. Whoever you came to look for, I'll say hi to the best.
No, boy, no, sorry now. Sorry now, once I'm a catamania, just a capua bodan no what it. I don't want some now, you know. So Jimmy now Casabacana wants to know about and I mean so. Maybe
I don't know. What have I done?
What have you done? I didn't think I did make power. What are the pressures?
Stop precious.
Me no now yes I him be my own. Me sure some say obey he na.
See, Opoku. Stop precious. There's nothing going on between me and Stop precious. I just went to her to give her money to prepare shit up for me.
Lady, am I was coming I went to me no be am na stop my precious.
Opoku, the last time she made palm nut soup for Aroma when he was at the police station. Yes. And it was very nice. That's why I wanted her to prepare shit for me.
Nah. Che. You know. So now your phone no. Na say he ni bi. And for what? So count now your phone no. Say Famboy. We soon count now your phone no. Let's also our one box account and bonnet.
It didn't come.
Also, the one box account and bonnet and what?
Opoku is not intentional.
What's the voluntary? When you go now, Casaba and Masan in the Baco. When the commercial break on the castle,
the doctor has diagnosed it. It's just a syndrome.
Your name didn't say.
They call it Tourette syndrome. Tourette syndrome.
Let's say you toilet is one. Ha, precious. It will moon in that in Beginon. A mosque say yes, to more. What him to let you or to live with 2 women. Ah, or pray.
Like the girl, she's a very good cook.
Oh,
Have you tried her?
Oh, for mamma and all for papa.
All my family members.
Oh, for which one for you,
including my grandma.
Ain't your money like as I say?
Yes.
Soon you have
Recently, Adams made me cry.
Okay. If Adam make you cry, Opoku also can make you cry. You know that.
Nothing will happen, don't worry. There's nothing going on.
If you are a man,
me and Precious.
If you are a man again, if you are talking again, do that. I don't know who's a boy and why. Me must be him no way. Me must be him no way. Stay away from Precious. This is your first and last and warning. Stay away from Precious.
I'll make sure
or else I will break through.
I'll make sure to do that. I'll stay away.
You will see what you haven't seen before. Else you will see my true colors. You will see the bright side of me.
Green or black?
Multicolors. Are you Ofri or you are a human being black?
I am a black.
So why are the Ofri hair?
It is half black, half Ofri.
So you are albino or black albino?
It's like you see black American. Me, I'm black albino. That's what they said. But the girls are crashing on me on campus.
Girls, very.
All the girls, I can see.
What's so be as a Wako namu futroma as a futura bona feel what PF futuru my pie. Oh, you futuru, one home in futuru now, but you in futuru. Now you plan.
You are trying to insult me.
Now, you tell my wine.
I thought that we have established.
Did you tell my baby? I'm a cousin trouble. As I may buy me no dear good to Jimmy. Mamma, Nicosia show the pressure to know be only pressure who said pressure to buy fasting. And mammy who saw the pressure to know Cassa. I am Mina Mecassa. Pressure or your media. Most will be in it in our crap and be punished because no pressure no be in our one of my own. What yes? Say you know, so per se flew more. Try.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, so Jamaica.
If we are serious, we are than 1 fan to a free top. And I said, Trinian Lawa, your moncha. And he said, oh, you know, my blue school. My can't. I'm so on your wedding, so better. See ya now, winning a chimpanano. See ya now, winning a chimpanano. Adams. See ya now, and your 2 for my cannon, probably.
Poku harnessing.
Get you know who said, yeah, no chiana and a chimpra. Into a drama fan is a catcher, my J. My boy, my German, yeah, because me some my J, Quan any pa, or bit matem on tem.
I don't know.
Who's also a bit or better me what?
I've been sent into my jet, yes, and we have better post.
Now we wouldn't want them now, me want to watch out all the old and want some room.
No, mamma, time be a crack,
me more time. Massa, is it that say only again the big guy? And I say, my J Betty. The moody ain't happy.
Me means meaning ninja, I mean, so I'm in person, my J.
Why your secret person? Why your say I'm chimney, the Amenka? Why your I just will be a and yes, I dear is a man come home. Say, only bread and I'm sure. And it went to my money that. And no none change. Now, no bread our back. And then no one money that. And no something coda. Tell no woman and a Aroma. And no one can't remember that. That's a woman who near dream pa.
We near dream person.
Who near dream pa?
Me catch on for so many.
Oh, we are now one to say, oh, a private person. We are private. Ubi be keeping private. On farmer public mo be an kabi. Nti ya konkonsa fo no pese ye dan. O pese adwuma boy ana.
Me masem na de be adwuma.
Ene mebo mic amane o.
Opoku ade bi o wa ye boys.
Enye minim de obeye abe meja stop me from talking to Mike. Ah? Debi na wodi mo asem wo se wodi mo asem. Ube tage na wunya no.
Opoku de be di san komo wi.
Ube jai girl no, are you leaving the girl or you are not leaving the girl?
De train me.
Ube jai girl na se wunya girl no.
Opoku me girl ni de mintimi nja no baka.
Wunya girl no.
Girl me mintimi nja.
Na sa ade ade se no bewu a wo so ni bewu me bwa. Ene tie sa ade anwono soso bade a mumienu nyina mo ntafre. Sa ade ade beba na mumienu nyina mbawu aboma ade anwono ba mumienu nyina mumum.
Me ne girl ade anwono beba de ase wo na ade beba. De ebe wo kan ebi na ya ade anwono.
Enti na meti girl na emwa tie. Emema mo kopo ba bi no bi won che na onim girl no ka tem se girl we a wo kɔ ne ntere no se ni girl we amwa wa maso den ma falling what so falling ntia me bwa me a minim girl no na me so na minim girl no tuba me ka cho se girl na amwa
okumi mi nka se me pro ba ebe bua me o me nka se me pro ba ebe bua me life is different me pro ba ebe bua me nti so on bua me dia na
na ko fa girl no okun box ne
me pe
so pe girl o mo ko fa de okun box no ona mistake obe gwaw ana ko fa reala no tun not na no mistake I will go on me. I know how some things are. It is only ready there and you're ready to say my J Betty. Why?
Joe,
Betty. My J is going to hear.
Do it.
Ube jage na na wunya no.
Bibi ni a. Se se ade o come into me na nkran ni mu tete nkran.
Nkran na bi wo hono ma ye ginam tete. Nkran na bi wo hono ma ye ginam tete.
Ma me up to anopa. Ye kwa kantin on ma me ka so. Why? Me hu say so dey. We dey all can asu medwen ho and me meye into the mama nya botre
me yan hye me bo me ma up to say
o dem na me pese me kan
me ma 5 minutes me moye na ka opetan be
me sim ma me time enko like
yeah no ni be jai yeah no twimu tan ni ge we be jai o mwa
Opoku girl me brands me nya no se girl no se no cute no cute me sa na me pe o me matter cute me ntimi nja no enye hu obo ye cute say a
na say wonya wa so be ja girl no te say when the cute girls ho na say wo choice wo favorite no when I was spec
what else
enti wu ni be ja den da any ade de ekum kwasea any you ready say my J Betty
yo Opoku fra Opoku oh boy Opoku